ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
ऐवन्
ऐउन्
ऋलग्
ऋक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐ औज्
ऐऔज्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लन्
ञमङणनम्
ञमङणनम्
झभै
झभै
घढधश्
घढधश्
जबगढधश्
जबगडधश्
खपचठथ चटतौ
खपछठथतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुभविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
ऋतुयशानां तालु
ऋतुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
लिट्लसानां दन्ताः
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्टौ
पद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
न्यमाङ्गनानाम् नासिका च
न्यमाङ्गनानाम् नासिका च
एदैतो कण्ठतालु
एतयोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौतो कण्ठ ओष्टम्
उदौक्योः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
पकारस्य दन्त ओष्टम्
पकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
जिह्वा मूलीयस्य जिह्वा मूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वा मूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेण विहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
श्रीरामः शरणं समस्तजगतां रामं विना का गति
श्रीरामः शरणं समस्तजगतां रामं विना का गतिः
रामेण प्रतिहन्यते कलिमलं रामाय कार्यं नमः
रामेण प्रतिहन्यते कलिमलं रामाय कार्यं नमः
रामाद्रस्यते कालभीमभुजगो रामस्य सर्वं वशे
रामाद्रस्यतिकालभीमभुजगो रामस्य सर्वं वशे
रामे भक्तिरखण्डिता भवतु मे भो भवतु मे रामत्वमेवाश्रयः
रामे भक्तिरखण्डिता भवतु मे रामत्वेनावाश्रयः
रामो मे विहितं करोतु सततं रामं भजे सादरम्
रामो मे विहितं करोतु सततं रामं भजे सादरम्
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं रामाय दत्तं धनम्
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं रामाय दत्तं धनम्
रामान्मुक्तिरभीप्सिता सरभसं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्मुक्तिरभीप्सिता सरभसं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया भो राम मां पालय
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया राम मां पालय
संहितैकपदे नित्या नित्या धातुपसर्गयोः
संहितैकपदे नित्या
नित्या
धातु
धातुपसर्गयोः
सर्गयोः
नित्या समासे वाक्ये तु सा विवक्षामपेक्षते
नित्या
नित्या समासे वाक्ये
समासेवाक्येषु
तु सा
सा
विवक्षामपेक्षते।
विवक्षामपेक्षते
इप्तस्झि
इत्यसि
तस्जि
सिप्तस्थ
सिद्धस्थ
सिद्धस्थ
मिप्वस्मस्
मिप्वस्मस्
वस्मस्
त आदाम्झ
द
आतां च
आदाम्झ
थास् आथाम् ध्वम्
हास्
हास्
आतां
आतां
त्वम्
त्वम्
इट् वहि मगिङ्
इद्वहि महि
तीतः अन्ति
तीतः अन्ति
अन्ति
सीतः थ
सीतः
सीतः थ
नि वह मह
नि वह मह
मह
ते गिते अन्ते
ते इते
इते
अन्ते
अन्ते
से इथे द्वे
ते
से
इते
इते
द्वे
द्वे
ये वहे महे
ए वहे
महे
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 भवति भवतः भवन्ति
भवति भवतः
भवतः भवन्ति
भवन्ति
भवसि भवतः भवथ
भवसि
भवसि भवतः
भवतः
भवथ
भवथ
भवामि भवावः भवामः
भवामि
भवामि
भवावः
भवावः
भवामः
लभते लभेते लभन्ते
लभते
लभते
लभेते
लभेते
लभन्ते
लभन्ते
लभसे लभेते लभद्वे
लभसे
लभसे
लभेते
लभेते
लभद्वे
लभे लभावहे लभामहे
लभे
लभे
लभामहे
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 करोति कुरुतः कुर्वन्ति
करोति
करोति
कुरुतः
कुरुतः
कुर्वन्ति
कुर्वन्ति
करोषि कुरुतः कुरुथ
करोषि
करोषि
कुरुतः
कुरुतः कुरुथ
कुरुथ
करोमि कुर्वः कुर्मः
करोमि कुर्वः कुर्मः
कुर्मः
कुरुते कुर्वाते कुर्वते
कुरुते कुर्वाते
कुर्वते
कुर्वति
कुरुषे कुर्वाथे कुरुध्वे
कुरुषे कुर्वाते
कुर्वाथे
कुरुते
कुर्वन्ति
कुर्वे कुर्वहे कुर्महे
कुर्वे
कुर्वहे
कुर्वहे कुर्महे
तकाराताम् अन्
सकाराताम्
सकाराताम्
अन्
अन्
सकारातन्त
सकारातम्
सकाराताम्
त
अम् वाम
अं
अं
वा मा
वा
तगितामन्त
स इताम्
इताम्
अन्त
अन्त
थाः इथाम् ध्वम्
हा इताम् त्वम्
त्वम्
ईवहि मही
वहि महि
अभवत् अभवताम् अभवन्
अभवत्
अभवत
अभवताम् अभवन्
अभवन्
अभवः अभवतम् अभवत
अभवः अभवतम्
अभवताम्
अभवत
अभवत
अभवम् अभवाव अभवाम
अभवम्
अभवाव
अभवाम
अभवाम
अलभत अलभेताम् अलभन्त
अलभत
अलभेताम्
अलभेताम्
अलभन्त
अलभन्त
अलभथाः अलभेताम् अलभध्वम्
अलभताः
अलभेथाम् अलभत्वम्
अलभे अलभावहि अलभामहि
अलभे अलभावहि अलभामहि
अकरोत् अकुरुताम् अकुर्वन्
अकरोत् अकुरुताम् अकुर्वन्
अकरोः अकुरुतम् अकुरुत
अकरोः अकुरुतम् अकुरुत
अकरवम् अकुर्व अकुर्म
अकरवम् अकुर्व अकुर्म
अकुरुत अकुर्वाताम् अकुर्वत
अकुरुत अकुर्वाताम् अकुर्वत
अकुरुथाः अकुर्वाताम् अकुरुध्वम्
अकुरुथाः अकुर्वाथाम् अकुरुध्वम्
अकुर्वी अकुर्वहि अकुर्महि
अकुर्वी अकुर्वहि अकुर्महि
अस्ति स्तः सन्ति
अस्ति स्तः सन्ति
असि स्तः स्थ
असि स्थः स्थ
अस्मि स्वः स्मः
अस्मि स्वः स्मः
आसीतास्तामासन्
आसि आस्ताम् आसन्
आसीः आस्तम् आस्त
आसीः आस्तम् आस्त
आसम् आस्व आस्म
आसम् आस्व आस्म
We will repeat what we have seen in the last class. More technical things will come, so please follow. Dhatu means, what is a dhatu?
Verb when you add with
Verbal roots. Dhatu.
Yes.
Dadati, dharati, dadati, poshati. The dhatu. That which sustains, nourishes the language, it's called dhatu. Without which the language is not possible. All the words, if you see, the language are derived from the dhatu. Most of the words, 99% we can say. There are two types of vada, Rudi vada, Vyutpatti vada. Vyutpatti vada meaning the dhatus are the words are derived from the dhatu, Vyutpatti. All the words can be said to be derived from a dhatu. That is Vyutpatti. Rudi vada is words are there, some words. Avyutpatti cannot be derived. It is there, like the Abhiyacha, etc. So therefore, dhatu important. And how many dhatus are there?
1,000. More than 2,000.
Around 2,000. Okay. Around 2,000 dhatus are there.
No.
And pratyaya meaning?
Suffix.
Pratiyate vidiyate asmaditi pratyaya. That which is ordained after the prakriti, right? Could be a dhatu or pratipadi. And pratyaya always comes after the dhatu. Before dhatu, after dhatu.
After.
It can't come before. Dhatoho parasya. Parasya means after. Pratyaha paraha. In fact, that is sutra. Pratyaha parasya. So pratyas come always after dhatu. And these pratyas which are added to dhatu. Careful here. Only to dhatu I'm saying, not anything. Only to dhatu, not to pradipadika. Can be divided into, what is this? Guruji.
सार्वधातुका प्रत्ययः आर्धधातुका प्रत्ययः
Pratyaha.
प्रत्ययः
Pratyaha.
प्रत्ययः
You didn't practice, huh? Sarvadhatuka pratyaya, ardhadhatuka
अर्धधातुका
pratyaya,
प्रत्ययः
pratyayah, pratyayah.
प्रत्ययः प्रत्ययः
Okay. The dhatus, the pratyayas which can be added to dhatu can be classified into these two.
Hmm.
And this is a sutram which defines what are sarvadhatuka and adhatuka. Think shit sarvadhatuka. That is think pratyayas and shit pratyayas. How many think pratyayas? What are think pratyayas? And how many are there?
18
18 total, Guruji.
That what we chant.
18. Total is 18.
is 18
Tiptasji, siptasta.
Siptasta.
All those pratyayas. Not only that pratyaya, the pratyaya which are derived from that. What are those pratyayas?
Sitaha and the
Sitaha
Itaha and the
Sitaha,
pratyayas corresponding to lat lakara, lang lakara, lot lakara, any
Hmm.
lakara, all are thing only, right?
yes.
Yes.
Then what pratyayas are they? What
Tin
pratyayas?
They are
Sarvadhatuka.
Sarvadhatuka.
Shit.
Yes.
Sarvada.
And shit pratyayas. What do you mean by shit?
Pratyayas which have a packing letter of Shakar.
Shakara. Shakara.
Hmm.
Shakara, shakaraha, yit, yasya, pratyasya, saha pratyaya, shit pratyaya. That pratyaya which is the packing letter, the ita letter, shakara.
Hmm.
This is savada. These are savadhatukam. Then what about adhadhatukam? The
All
entire,
the other
Pratyaya Shesha.
the entire set of pratyayas other than this, which can be added, which are added to the dhatu. They are ardhadhatuka, right? Now I'll give some example. You have to spot out. You have to spot which are savadhatuka, ardhadhatuka, right?
Hmm.
These are the original pratyayas we know,
Hmm.
Yes.
which we chant every class. The original pratyayas. From these pratyayas only, the pratyayas corresponding to different lakaras are derived. And sarvadhatuka, all the above pratyayas, above means the tiptasji. And the derived pratyayas means pratyayas which are derived for different lakaras. Lat, lang, etc. Titahanti, takaratam, and all are sarvadhatukam. And also the pratyayas, gana vikarana. What is gana vikarana? You know it.
Yes. They are added to, so when verbal root plus tin pratyaya we add, then depending on the gana, there is also a gana vikarana pratyaya that we add in between.
That comes after the dhatu. Pratyaya always comes
Last.
after the dhatu.
Huh.
So first when you add tip pratyaya, for example, ti.
Yes.
And after that, gana vikarana pratyaya is ordained based on the gana of the dhatu. Then where will you add in the pratyaya? That also comes after the dhatu. Because pratyayas comes always after the dhatu. That is why gana vikarana comes in between. Yeah, understand?
Yes.
So gana vikarana means group specific pratyaya. Gana meaning group and vikarana pratyaya, specific particular vikarana pratyaya. So that comes. Okay. After the dhatu. Also the pratyayas, gana vikarana pratyayas, which we see, which are having shakara as the letter, added to the dhatus, they are also considered to be sarvadhatukam. Not only gana vikarana pratyayas, like gana vikarana pratyayas. Okay. There are so many other pratyayas are there. Also the pratyayas having shakara as a gita letter, like gana vikarana pratyayas, because we know shap. So therefore, like gana vikarana pratyayas. Okay. They are also sarvadhatukam because they are shit.
Yes.
Shakara is equivalent to the shap gana vikarana. And the example for gana vikarana pratyaya, you can see here the examples. Shap is the gana vikaranam for which gana?
First.
Shap is the gana vikaranam for the first gana. And shnam, sha, shatru, shamach, all are sarvadhatuka pratyaya. Not all are gana vikarana. Okay, please don't consider all gana vikarana. You'll see what are they. One, we know only shap because we have only seen so far shap, and also that is also not complete. We have to see Atmanipadi and other Only the first sample dhatu we have seen, not a complicated one. We're going to see all those things. Huh? So there are other pratyas. Okay. So these pratyas, if you take, shap, content of shap is,
Oh.
therefore shakara is ita letter.
Hmm.
Content of shnam. Content of shnam. Shnam also. Shakara is ita letter. Shnam also gana vikana pratyaya. We don't need to know everything now. Just note this much. Shnam also. It's one of the gana vikana pratyaya. In fact, it is the seventh gana. We have seventh gana. So seventh gana vikana pratyaya is shnam. And makara is ita letter. Shakara is also ita letter.
It right.
Right?
Yes.
Then what is the content?
Na.
No.
So na is shnam is the pratyaya and makara is ita letter, shakara is ita letter, and na, that I is also ita letter. Content is only nakara only. In fact, it is. Okay.
Okay.
Content is only nakara. So understand. So anyway, that is not important now. Just write nakara is ita letter. Shnam. And sha, which is the fourth gana vikana pratyaya. Chakara is ita letter. Therefore, what is the
Yes.
content?
Oh.
Sorry, what did you say? Nakara. No. Samita. No. Na, makara is ita letter. Shakara. Na is the content, not no. Sorry. Na.
Okay.
Please note. Okay.
Yeah.
Since long time I have not touched that. So they missed it. Okay. So na is the ita letter. Sorry, na is the content. Akara ita letter and shakara ita letter. Then here shakara ita letter content is a.
Oh.
Similarly in shatru, shakara ita letter
That.
is ita letter. The content is at. Similarly shanaj, if you take, content is shakara ita letter.
Shakara, it like.
Shakara ita letter, ana is the
Letter.
content.
Huh.
Okay. So within bracket I have written content for our understanding. So it means we know shakara is it. So these pratyas in which shakara is it, what are they? They are sarvadhattuka pratyaya. Understand?
Yes.
And among them, some are gana vikana, some are not.
Hmm.
Okay, that we will see what they are later. So now some more example. Oh, I have given here. Okay, yeah. Here so I have given shnam. Now content I have written. What I have written here. I have given here. Shakara shap is shakara plus a plus pakara plus a. So pakara and shakara is letter. Therefore, content is a.
Oh.
Oh.
Similarly here also.
Shakara.
Content is a. Shakara is ita letter, right? So they're all shit pratyaya. Similarly here, shan. Shan is another pratyaya. Fourth gana. We will see all those things later. And shnam is shnam also. Shakara is ita letter. Shakara plus na plus
Na
makara.
plus.
Plus
Makara.
makara.
Na is the content. Sorry, na is the content, and of course, shakara is ita letter. Therefore, shit pratyaya. Vas is another pratyaya. What type of pratyaya vas is? Content is vas.
It's a sarvadhatu pratyaya. Tin pratyaya.
Exactly. It's a vas.
Vas.
Mip vas vas.
Mas.
Content is vas only. First one is sarvadhatika. Shit pratyaya. Second one, sarvadhatika. Shit pratyaya. Third one, sarvadhatika. Shit pratyaya. Fourth one also, shit pratyaya. Therefore, sarvadhatika. Fifth one, not a shit. Don't say ardhatika. It is the thing pratyaya. Mip, vas, mas.
Plus mas.
One of the thing pratyayas. Therefore, it must be
Sarvadhatika.
sarvadhatika. You need to
Sarv.
remember thing pratyayas. Ate, what pratyaya ate is?
Yes, tin pratyaya,
Ah,
Guruji.
Tin.
Te,
Sarvadhatuka or Adhadhatuka?
sarvadhatuka pratyaya.
Sarvadhatuka only. Okay.
Hmm.
And what about Adhadhatukam? The rest are Adhadhatukam. Pratyayas which are added to dhatus, but not Sarvadhatukam or Adhadhatuka. Like some of the Ganavikana pratyayas we will see. Krit pratyayas. Krit pratyayas are the pratyayas added to the dhatu,
Form
and you
pratipadika.
will, yes, get a pratipadika. Pratipadikam is formed. All those pratyayas are Adhadhatuka if it is not shit. Please note, if it is not shit. Pratyayas added to dhatu with, and forming a kriya padam, they are think pratyayas and they are sarvadhatuka. And there are other pratyayas, Ganavikana pratyaya and Krit pratyayas are added to dhatu in forming a, and you get a pratipadikam. Pratipadikam is created. So those pratyayas are, they cannot be think. And if they are shit, it's sarvadhatuka. Otherwise, adhadhatuka. Okay.
Yeah.
Example. Some of the examples are given here. So, Nich is an pratyaya. Can tell what type of pratyaya Nich is.
Ardhadhatuka.
Because neither thing
Nor
nor shape.
Hmm.
The content is E.
E.
Trich pratyaya. Content is Tr.
Tr.
Sarvadhatukam, ardhadhatukam.
Ardhadhatuka.
Similarly, Null. Content is U. Lut. Content is U.
U.
Tva pratyaya. Content is Tva.
The.
Takara is with the letter.
Hmm.
Lep pratyaya. Content is Ya.
Hmm.
All these are what pratyayas.
Ardhadhatuka.
Ardhadhatuka.
Why they are adhadhatuka pratyaya? Because they are not
Shit.
They are not the thing and they are not shit.
Or shit.
Therefore, they are adhadhatuka pratyayas, right?
Yes.
Now, examples of adhadhatuka pratyayas with the hit letters removed. You can see. U. U is also one of the Gana Vikana pratyaya. Eighth Gana. Karoti, important dhatu we chant, right? That Kru dhatu belongs to eighth Gana.
Oh.
So Kru is the Gana Vikana, not Shab.
Oh.
So that therefore dhatu Kru become Karoti, Purutaha, like that. You'll see later. So U, which is the Gana Vikarana, Sarvadhatukam or Adhadhatukam?
Ardhadhatuka.
Adhadhatukam. Tumun, another pratyaya, whose content is tum only. Means Nakara, Nuka, U, with the letter. Therefore, Ardhadhatuka. Tva pratyaya, Nakara is with the letter. Content is Tva. What pratyaya? Ardhadhatuka. Nul pratyaya, whose content is who and with the letter are not shit. Therefore, they are not thing. Of course, they are not thing. We know what are thing pratyayas. They are not shit. Therefore, adhadhatuka. Lut. Content is you. Lakara and takara, it letters. Okay, you. Not a thing, not shit. Therefore, adhadhatuka. Which also, whose content is E. Therefore, it is neither thing nor shit. Therefore, adhadhatuka pratyaha. Iti anekaha pratyaha santi. So many are there. Okay, so some of the examples here. Another technical term, anga. Anga means, I think I taught you, that which precedes the pratyaya.
Yes.
The technical word. Anga. Not anga doesn't mean here limbs. It's that which precedes the pratyaya. So that's called anga. The change happening in the anga because of the falling pratyaya. It's called anga karyam. Okay. It's called anga karya. There are some anga karyas we are going to see. Changes which may happen because of the falling pratyaya. Now we will discuss on the derivation of kriya padam, which I taught in the last class. First, what you do, first we need to adding ting pratyaya.
Hmm.
The dhatu we get kriya padam. So
Hmm.
dhatuhu plus ting pratyaya kriya padam, this we know. And adding krit pratyaya to dhatus, what do we get? Get pratipadika.
Pratipadika.
Pratipadikam.
And that can be declined in all the genders. That not the discussion now, we will see that later. So pratipadikam is derived from the dhatu by the addition of krit pratyaya. Kriya padam is derived from a dhatu by addition of ting pratyayas. Okay. That is only padam. The kriya padam alone can be used in the language, not a dhatu. Similarly, pratipadikam cannot be used. It has to be converted to supratyaya. After that, we need to add supratyaya. Right? It's subject to declension. Right?
Yes.
In fact, the word Rama itself derived from a dhatu, ram dhatu, by the addition of some krit pratyaya, ghai pratyaya, you get Rama, pratipadikam. And Rama is subject to declension. Now, what are the steps to be followed in deriving the kriya padam? First, you have to find the dhatu. What dhatu is that? It means the dhatu is given. What is the dhatu as in the dhatu pata? Dhatu pata written by Panini Maharishi. Okay. The dhatu pata as dhatu pata given, you have to. There also will be ith letters will be there in the dhatu. So you have to find out ith letters. Remember the packing letters, and because of packing letters, some changes may happen to the dhatu. Those things we will see later. Don't worry about it now. But just know that much enough. Okay, the dhatus in the original state may have some ith letter. So that packing letters have to be removed, and packing letters have got some significance, Because of packing letters, then may happen some change in the dhatu. So that is dhatu. That's why find out the dhatu. What dhatu? After all these things are done, get a dhatu, and later, next stage, find out whether it is parasmipadi or atmanipadi. Why? Then only you can add the pratyaya, respective pratyayas, right? Can you say labati, labataha, labanti? No.
No.
Patate, patete, patante? Not possible. So therefore, you need to know whether dhatu is parasmipadi or atmanipadi. Did I send you, dhatu kosha?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, very good. So that you will see parasmipadi, atmanipadi, you can find out from the dhatu kosha, the table. And there itself is given, the first column is the original form of the dhatu, which we call aupadeshika rupam. Aupadeshika rupam means dhatu which are given in the upadesha. Upadesha is dhatu pata, as it is given in the dhatu pata. From that dhatu, remove the packing letters, etc. you do. And there is another column, you will see the dhatu kosha. You will see later. Okay. The dhatu after packing letters, everything removed, the dhatu is there. So that is dhatu. And that dhatu, after that, you have to find out whether it is parasmipadi or atmanipadi. Accordingly, ting pratyaya should be added. Right? Now, dhatu plus ting, you get. Then after that, what we have to do, based on the gana, right? To gana vikana pratyaya should be added. Where? To what? To pratyaya? No, pratyaya always comes after the dhatu. Already ting pratyaya is added to dhatu. Now this pratyaya, where you will add?
Before the tin.
After the dhatu. That's the
After
right.
the-
That's the right thing to say. Dhatu plus ting. Already I have done dhatu plus ting. Now gana vikana comes. Where you will add the gana vikana? To be added.
After the dhatu.
Being pratyaya, therefore pratyaya comes after the dhatu. Therefore, dhatu plus gana vikana pratyaya.
Gana.
Understand?
Yes.
That's what we say in between. It's not in between or before a thing. It is after the dhatu, because that is a rule. Dhatoho parasya pratyaya bhavati. In the beginning itself I said, right? First we have added ting pratyaya. Next we have gana vikarna comes in keeping with the gana of the dhatu. Then gana vikarna where you will add. Being a pratyaya, it should be added after the dhatu. So it comes after the dhatu. Therefore, it looks as though it has come in between. The sequence Gana Vikarana comes second. That is why it is immediately after the dhatu. Okay. You follow?
Yes.
Yes.
Then find out whether a Gana Vikaranam can do any other karya. That we have not seen. You will see that. If yes, then do it. And after Angakarya, what is Angakarya? We don't know. We are going to see after some time. Then find out any Sandhikarya possible. Finally, Sandhikarya. Sandhikarya we know, right? All the Sandhis
Yes.
Yes.
that you do it, whichever is applicable, keeping in mind the Apavadas, exceptions. Okay. So Gana Vikarana Gana Vikarana Pratyaya can do any change in the dhatu. See, here you have to note. When I think Pratyaya to the dhatu is the anga with regard to thing. Once Gana Vikarana comes, right? Here what happens? Dhatu is the anga for Gana Vikarana Pratyaya.
Karna. Then thing.
So we have to see whether Gana Vikarana Pratyaya can do any anga karya on the dhatu. And the resultant of that will be the anga for ting pratyaya. Understand? The bracket is important. You put like that. So see, Gana Vikarana can do any, but here you cannot do any anga karya. Please note. Don't do it here. Just for your understanding, I just put bracket means anga. For the ting pratyaya, dhatu is the anga, but immediately Gana Vikarana pratyaya comes, right? In some cases, what happens? Gana Vikarana come and Gana Vikarana goes away. Therefore, there you will have the situation dhatu plus thing only. That thing can do angakarya on the dhatu. Once Gana Vikarana comes, right? Then Gana Vikarana only can do any change in the dhatu. It's called angakarya. We will see what it is later. Okay, forget about angakarya. Just note this much. Dhatu plus thing. Dhatu is the anga for thing. Okay. Because of the thing pratyaya, the Gana Vikarana pratyaya corresponding to dhatu will walk in, where immediately after the dhatu. Now dhatu becomes the anga for Gana Vikarana pratyaya. And dhatu plus Gana Vikarana pratyaya, the resultant of this, if Gana Vikarana pratyaya can bring about some change in dhatu, whatever it is, then add this, do a angakarya, sandhikarya, whatever it is, do it. And that becomes the anga for ting pratyaya. That is why I define anga as that which precedes a pratyaya. Simple.
Okay.
Yes.
So it's like a mathematical equation, right? We know.
Yes.
We have like this a plus b, divided by what's division. Division symbol or a minus c, suppose. You have the multiplied by d, something is that. And now what you do is c into d is first,
Yes.
then b minus,
Yes.
first you do c
And then
into d. Then whatever comes, that you minus from d. So like that we do, right?
Yes.
Same thing here also. Here it is, dhatu is the anga for Gana Vikarana, and if Gana Vikarana can do any angakarya, that is any effect can bring about in the dhatu, do it and then do sandhikarya, and that becomes the anga for thing. Okay. And think, suppose, if possible, thing also can do any angakarya, sandhikarya, whatever it is. We will see. Okay. First understand what is anga. Anga is clear, very important.
Yes.
Sequence you need to remember. Then find out whether Gana Vikarana can do any angakarya. That's what I said. If yes, do it. And find out any sandhikaryam to be done, do it. Then find out when anything can do any angakarya. That is, ting pratyaya can do anything on the anga. This is the anga. Dhatu plus Gana Vikarana is the anga for thing. So find out whether thing can do any angakarya. If yes, do it. That's it. These are the steps. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
This Angakarya, Gana Vikarana, all those things we'll discuss.
Hmm.
So Gana Vikarana is given, which I think we have explained it before. First group, second group. First group begins with the Bu Dhatu. It's an auspicious word. Om Bu Hu comes in the first as a first Vyakruti. So therefore the Gana is called Bu Adihi Dvadihi. That's the Ensandi. Bu plus Adihi, what's Sandhi?
Yeah.
Ensandi. Dvadihi. And the Gana Vikarana Pratyaya is Shap. It is Shit, Sarvadhataka Pratyaya.
Yes.
Content of Shap is A.
Oh.
And this Gana has got more dhatus, more than 1,000 dhatus. Similarly, other groups, second group, beginning with the dhatu, and therefore it's called Adadi. And Gana Vikarana is there, but Shap is there. Shap comes and Shap goes away. Comes and goes away. Third group is called Juhotyadi. Dhatu is who. Undergoes a completely different change. The duplication happens and all. Don't worry about it. No, just note. Who dhatu is the first dhatu. Therefore, it's called Juhotyadi. The form of who becomes Juho. That's why Juhotyadi it is called. How it becomes, just not required, just note. Third group is called Juhotyadi Gana. Try to use some Sanskrit word, Saṃskṛta word. Vadihi, Adadi, Adadi Gana, Vadi Gana, Juhotyadi Gana. You need to remember the Gana. Here also Gana Vikarana Shab comes and goes away. This has got only 24 dhatus, this group. Fourth group, the first dhatu is Div dhatu. Therefore, the group is called Div plus Adihi. Adi means etc.
Divadi.
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 Gana Vikarana Pratyaya is Shan, whose content is here. Shan, Shit, therefore Sarvadhataka Pratyaya. 140 dhatus. This is not exactly 140. The number may differ. Just a given. Okay. Then next Gana. Fifth Gana. The first dhatu is Su dhatu. The Su plus Adihi. Swadihi.
Swadihi.
Swadeha is Bhagavachanam. Okay. Vadeha, Adadeha, Juhotyadeha, Divadeha, Swadeha, Bhagavachanam. How do you decline this? Like what Shabda?
Swadi,
Rama.
Like
Hari Shabda. Hari Shabda.
Hari Shabda. So Divadeha, Bhagavachanam. Swadeha, Bhagavachanam. Fifth Gana. Us Gana Vikarana Pratyaya is Shnu. Content is Nu. Shakara is It letter. Therefore, Sarvadhataka. It has 35 dhatus. Then sixth conjugation. The first dhatu is Tud. Therefore, Tudadihi. Gana Vikarana is Sha. Shakara is It letter. Therefore, Sarvadhataka Pratyaya. It has 157 dhatus. And seventh Gana, Ruddha dhatu. It's called Ruddhadihi. Gana Vikarana is Shnam. Content is Na. That's got 25 dhatus. Eighth group, smallest one. First dhatu is Tanu. Tanadihi. Gana Vikarana is U. What type of pratyaya U is?
Ardha Dhatuka.
Ardha Dhataka. Ninth Gana is called Kriyadihi. Kri is the first dhatu. Kri means to buy. Bikri, to sell. Kriyadihi. Gana Vikarana is Shna. What type of pratyaya? Shna is.
Sarvadhatu.
Sarvati.
Kara is letter, Sarvadhataka. Therefore, it is.
Yeah.
Therefore, it is Sarvadhatakam and it has 61 dhatus. 10th group. The first dhatu is Chur. Chur means to steal. Chorayati. It is called Churadigana. And Nich is the pratyaya. Content is E. What type of pratyaya?
Ardha Dhatu.
Ardha Dhatu.
This is something special, this one. We will discuss this later after discussing about it. Last class we saw Patta Dhatu, simple Dhatu, Pat Dhatu, whose Lat Rupam we have seen. Past, present tense form. So we will take up other Dhatus and give you some homework also.
Yes.
Pat Dhatu, first as I told you, you have to find out the Dhatu, Pat Dhatu. Which Gana it is?
First.
First Gana. Number one.
First Gana.
Parasmipadi Ratmanepadi.
Parasma.
Parasmipadi Dhatu. Therefore, it will take Parasmai Pada Pratyaya.
Pratyaya.
means T tip tas G sip tas ta.
Mhm.
We are going to do only let lakara. Okay. We are not going to do other lakaras now. Only present tense forms. So it will take tip tas G. Dhatu pat means to read. The meaning of the dhatu. So therefore, depending on the pratyaya, you will get the meaning. Patati means he reads. Patami, I read. Patata, you all read. Okay, like that. Then pratyas of lakara derived from the original dhatu. Meaning what? Tip plus G. Okay, that should be added. That is a meaning. Okay. Original dhatu, original pratyaya. Okay, pratyas which are derived from the original pratyaya meaning. That is tip plus G is original.
Tip plus G.
From that we get Ti tahanti. That should be added. Now, the derivation of lat pratyaya from the original pratyas are given. How these forms have come, we cannot discuss. As I said, it is out of scope here. Titaha, tiptas G, G become anti. Just note, that's it. Original pratyaya is G, and here it is anti. And in Atmane pada, ta, tam, ja, it has completely, become different. Te, ite, ante, actually. In te, ite, ante, in te, ate, ante, actually. But for first gana, fourth gana, sixth gana, it becomes ite. Because we are going to do first gana first, then fourth gana, then sixth gana. So that's why we chant ite, ite, to be familiar with ite. Actually, it is ate, but for first gana, fourth gana, sixth gana, it will become ite. Okay, I've given here the original, actual one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
For the first gana, it will become ite. Let us understand first gana very clearly now. Okay, don't worry about the other gana. Here, ate is it's the original form.
Ite.
Ate, te, ate, ante. First gana, it becomes te, ite, ante. Okay, I've written the original. I mean, as it is, boss. See here, down below I have written. For Atmane pada, see, tiptas G, these are the pratyaya. For lat lakara, the same thing. Te, ate, ante, se, ate, de, ye, vage, vage. For first gana, yes, see, first, fourth, sixth, and tenth. Changes happening to these pratyaya. Te, ate, ante, se, ate, de, ye, vage, vage. It will become te, ite, ante, se, ite, de, ye, vage, vage. This is what we chat. Because we are going to do 1, 4, 6 only to begin with. Okay. In fact, first gana now, fourth gana, sixth gana, when time comes, you will see.
Yeah.
So therefore, te, ite, ante. Understand? So this is what you need to remember as of now. These are the pratyas you need to remember.
Yes.
Parasme pada pratyaya, atmane pada pratyaya. Understand?
Yes.
All these things are already discussed. Just now, some important rules connected with the derivation of Kriya Padam. Now, first, ting pratyas. Ting pratyaya is added to the dhatu, and pratyaya comes after the dhatu, therefore dhatu plus ting. Okay, dhatu plus ting pratyaya. Dhatu. I keep saying, putting everything in documents so that you don't forget. It's important. Okay. Number 2, Gana Vikana pratyaya comes always after the dhatu, because pratyaya comes after the dhatu, and ting pratyaya already added to dhatu. Therefore, Gana Vikana also must come after the dhatu. Therefore, in between the dhatu and ting, we say, right? So dhatu plus Gana Vikaranaha plus ting pratyaha. So here only I told dhatu is the anga for Gana Vikarana. Dhatu plus Gana Vikarana is the anga for ting pratyaya. That also I given here. You can see the pratyaya, whether it is Gana Vikarana pratyaya, ting pratyaya, it can do the following possible change in the anga. The change affected in the anga is called angakarya. I'll mention angakarya now. You will see examples later. Okay. This is something new we are learning now, I think. Okay. Possible angakarya. Angakaryani. When a sarvadhatuka, please, this is the rule. Okay, follow. When a sarvadhatuka or an ardhatuka pratyaya, right? Follows, then the last equilater. What are the equilators?
Packing letter.
Not packing letter. Equilator, packing letter.
Ik,
It letter is the packing.
L.
E, O, R, L. And E stands for?
E stands for E, E or E.
Exactly. E, E. Not only E, right? O stands for?
U and U.
Ooh.
Similarly, E, O, R, R stands for?
R and R.
What about L?
Only
Listen.
the
Only
Same.
So you have to bring in the corresponding long forms also. Longer ones, right? Dirgha swara also.
Dirgha.
So when a adadatuka pratyaya, sarvadatuka pratyaya or an adadatuka pratyaya follows what? Follows anga. Okay.
Anga.
Anga is the dhatu or whatever it is. Could be a dhatu or could be a dhatu plus gana vikarana, whatever it is. The last equilator of the anga, I just use the word common word, anga. Okay, what is anga? You have to find out. What is anga? Already I have given. Dhatu is the anga for gana vikarana. Dhatu plus gana vikarana is anga for ting pratyaya.
For ting
Understand?
pratyaya.
Find out what anga is depending on the pratyaya, with respect to pratyaya. Then the anga will undergo a change. What change? Anga will take guna. The last equilator of the anga will take guna. It means what? If the last equilator, if it is E or E, it will become what?
E.
A.
The last letter of the anga, if it is E or E, the wrong form, okay, then it will be replaced by A. We will see examples later. Just to understand this. And if it is U or U, it will be replaced by guna letter. What are the guna letters?
A,
O.
A, O,
O.
R, Al.
A, A, O. Here, A, A, O. In this context, will A come?
No.
No.
Why?
Because it is
starts with
equilators.
Starts with equilator only.
Hmm.
The equilator E, U, R, L. Right? So E means A will come. O means O will come. If it is R will come. If it is L, Al will come.
Yes.
So A will not be there. Okay. Don't think A is not a guna letter. Here, in the context here, among these four, one will come depending on what the equilator is. Understand?
Yes. Yes.
So Ru will be replaced by Ru or long one.
Or.
Long Ru will be replaced by R. This note. Then Lu will be replaced by
Al.
Al.
This is one possible Angakarya. You understand?
Yes.
Yes.
I'll give one example. Later we will see. Suppose you are doing Bu Dhatu, right? Which Gana is that?
First one.
First gun.
Oh, it will be a.
Bu plus Tit. First we are doing Ting Pratyaya. I'm doing Pratama Purusha Ekavachi. Okay. So when I add the Ting Pratyaya and this Dhatu belongs to first group, so what will walk in between?
Shap.
Shap.
You understand when I say walk in between?
Yes. Yes.
Shap is the Gana Vikarana which comes immediately, comes after the Dhatu, therefore it has to come in between.
In between. Yes.
Now Bu is the Anga for
For Shap.
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 Bu plus Shap is the Anga for
Tip.
Tip. Now, is it not a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya?
Yes.
Yes.
And the Anga ending with?
U.
Equilator.
Can it undergo Angakarya by the rule?
O.
Yes.
Yes. U
Yes.
will be replaced by O.
O.
Bo plus Shap. Content of Shap is A.
O.
Therefore,
Ayadi Sandhi.
Bo will become
Baba.
Bhav. Bhav plus A.
Bhava.
Baba.
Now Bhava is the Anga for Tip.
Tip.
Can Tip do any Angakarya?
Bhavati.
No, bhavati.
Why not? Why no Angakarya? Because it doesn't end with ik letter. Simple.
Aha, okay.
You have to tell that. Then only. Then Bhavati.
Yes,
This is how you
yes,
get Bhavati.
yes,
From
yes.
Bhuda, how you get Bhavati.
Aha,
Bhavati.
right.
Okay, we are good, but this is not over. We have to see some more. We'll see that later.
Mhm.
Now, suppose if the last letter is not ik letter, right?
Mm.
I said possible Angakarya. It means more than one Angakarya. I mean, possibilities are there. Last letter, because not all the all the dhatus must have the ik letter. There are dhatus, like take the dhatu for example. Last class we did patu dhatu. What's the last letter?
Thaka.
Thakara.
It's not a vowel at all. It's a consonant.
No.
Consonant. Yes.
So there are halanta dhatus, right? Ajanta dhatu, salanta dhatu.
Halanta.
Bhu dhatu is ajanta dhatu. Pat dhatu, halanta dhatu. And there are maybe some dhatus whose penultimate. What is penultimate? Upada, upada
Yes.
technical word.
Aha, yes.
Technical word for penultimate is upadha. Do you know this word or first time?
Yes, we have done it.
I think we have used this in Sandhi context.
Yes.
Upadha means penultimate. Okay. Last but one. So you have to find out the penultimate letter. If the last letter is not ik, find out what letter precedes it. It means last before, but one, right? Last. But one means it penultimate letter. If the penultimate letter is a rasva ik, what do you mean by rasva ik?
Short e.
Short e.
It means e, u,
Only,
r, lu only. Not the long forms.
There is one, yeah.
Only the 4 letters. Then it will take guna.
Okay.
The technical name for the penultimate is upada that you can note. If you're not familiar, you can note now, right?
Yes.
So these are the 2. Find out the last letter. If it is it, then it will undergo Angakarya, which is Guna Angakaryam. If not, check the penultimate. The penultimate is Rasvaik, then it will undergo Guna Angakaryam. Understand?
Yes.
Suppose even none of them, like in Patadhatu. Patadhatu, it is not a ik anta dhatu. Not dhatu not ending with ik letter. Penultimate also not ik letter. Penultimate is a, right? Nothing happens. That is very simple. That's why just addition only. What big deal is there, right? Simple. Understand?
Yes.
Anyway, this Angakarya, just the rules you note, we will see its application later. But this is not yet over. This A and B are the possible Angakarya. But this will happen only when if the pratyaya is kit or nit or git, then guna is negated, will not happen. Guna Angakarya is negated. Guna Angakaryam is negated. Understand?
Yeah.
What do you mean by pratyaya is kit or nit or git?
Ardha dhatuka pratyaya.
No, need not be Ardha Dhatuka. Could be Sarvadhatukam also possible.
Achha.
If the pratyaya as kakara or nakara or gakara as it letter, then it will not cause Angakarya. What are Angakaryas? That ik anda taking guna, rasva ikupada taking guna. Those are the Angakaryas, right? 2 Angakaryas, possible Angakaryas. That will not happen. That will not happen. I'll give an example. I'll give an example of Ardha Dhatuka pratyaya. Okay. Suppose bu. I'm adding the pratyaya, ta pratyaya. What type of pratyaya? Ta. That's a pratyaya. Okay. First you tell it's Sarvadhatukam or Ardha Dhatukam.
Ardha
Dhatuka.
Because it is not a thing, not a shit.
Mm.
It is kakara plus ta is the pratyaya. Kakara plus the ta pratyaya. Kakara is ita letter. Therefore, content is
Ta.
ta.
Oh,
So this is a kit pratyaya. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Because it is a kit pratyaya. Therefore, bu will not become bo. Angakarya is negated.
Negative. Yeah.
Ha.
Therefore, what do you get?
Bhuta.
Bhuta.
Bhav.
That's why you get Bhuta, the word. Bhutani, Bhutakalaha,
Ah.
Pancha Mahabhutani, Bhutam, Bhute, Bhutani. Sakalinga. Understand?
Yes.
Bhuta. Similarly, all the other words. Okay, just an example I've given this. Okay.
Yes.
You follow?
Yes.
So condition
Yes,
is if the pratyaya could be a sarvadhatukam or adhadhatukam, whatever it is.
Ha.
If it is kit or nit or git, Angakarya is
Negative.
negated.
Negative.
It will not happen. We are not going to see adhadhatuka pratyaya in the near future. Only sarvadhatukam we are going to see. Okay. I gave adhadhatuka example where Angakarya negated. Now we are going to see Angakarya being negated for adhadhatuka pratyaya.
Ha.
Okay. So now you see here. Before that, you need to understand certain things I will explain. Shap, what type of pratyaya?
Ting.
Sarvadhatuka or adhadhatuka? Just tell that.
Sarvadhatuka.
Sarvadhatuka.
And how do you know it's sarvadhatuka? Is it too much? Huh? Should not be.
Sure.
Huh? Is it too much to follow?
No.
Shit is a Sarvadhatuka.
Tell me what type of pratyaya shap is.
Shab is
Uh,
ting pratyaya.
Shap is a thing
Ship,
pratyaya.
ship.
Ship boat, from where ship comes? What is ship?
Ting or ship pratyaya. So shop comes from T plus
It's not a
shop
ship and
is
all. It is shit pratyaya, not ship. What is ship?
shit. That is ship pratyaya. Okay.
Shap is Gana Vikarna Pratyaya, no?
Yes. Sarvadhatuka pratyaya or adhadhatuka pratyaya?
Shop is sarvadhatuka.
Sarvadhatuka.
Why? How?
Because
It's
it takes
Kartari Pratyaya.
Sorry?
It's a group specific Pratyaya, no, Guruji?
No.
Shap.
No. That's not the reason. Why it is sarvadhatuka pratyaya?
Content is all, no? Sure.
Okay. Then I will not teach this. You have to, you will not follow if I say also. Up to this, you watch the video. From here, we'll see next class. Because you have to know what it is. Only Akanksha ji is answering. She's able to follow and answer what it is. Other people are just watching, not knowing, not able to answer. If you're not able to answer, how will you understand? I'll keep saying something. The beginning itself, or even before that, so many times I have told, not in the class before. What are sarvadhatuka, adhadhatuka? In the beginning, defined, and then now we are proceeding. If you are not able to say, and what I say will be above your head. Okay. So this topic will stop here. You have to become prepared next class up to here. I will not send this document. You have to watch the video, understand what it is. Then we will see what further. Angakarya negation, we will see next class. Okay. So we'll that part leave it. Because other it may not make any sense if I say something now.
it's in
You
first
need to
movement.
understand what the things very clearly. Otherwise, it's useless. Yeah, because I keep adding more and more. What is used? Just will be overflow. It doesn't go inside at all. So leave it. If you want next class, the answer only I will do this topic. Otherwise, this topic I'll drop it. Watch the video and come. Understand clearly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Another 10 minutes is there. We'll do this lesson. So that topic is stopped. You see, It's the problem. If you take some big topic, you're not able to pick up. That's why you're doing the same thing, simple thing, in a sense. And find difficult to introduce some sandhis and other things. You're not able to, follow. Come prepared. Be
Is
thorough with whatever your topic
it
you
belongs to
discussed before.
first group?
No.
No.
Again, it's not correct.
No. Okay.
You have to thank Akanksha because of her the class moves forward. I also I feel that what is one student answers so that class understood, and therefore I teach further. So what is Sarvadhatukam, Aradhatukam important? If you don't know what it is, then how will I what will I talk? How will I talk? I cannot talk anything. Thoroughly watch the video and come. Next class I will ask. We have to answer what it is. We are not asking a difficult question, simple thing. What is an apple? What is an orange? Don't you know that? If I say apple is an Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, other than apple are all Adadhatuka.
Ardhadhatuka.
Simple. So if I ask you what is a berry fruit? Sarvadhatu Maradhadhatu.
All the best. That is Ardhadhatuka.
That same thing I'm asking here. It's a very difficult thing or what? If apple is A, the rest of the fruits are B. I'm taking one berry fruit, asking what is A or B. Say B,
okay.
simple.
B. Yes.
That's what I'm asking. You're not able to answer.
Because only thing and shit
No,
is
it's
Shit
okay.
is the
You have to work
start
and come.
okay.
You need to work and come. So
Yes.
understand what is Sarvadhatuka thoroughly and come thoroughly.
Yes.
Yes, Guruji. In lecture
Now let us,
143, you have explained.
whatever it is, I don't know. You have to find out lecture see and come. Okay, from the Saṃskṛtam Saṃskṛtam. Tritiya Stavakaha, Dvitiya Pataha. Please read.
Auda Balakaha Vidyalayam Agachat.
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 Agachat means
He is not going.
it's not going.
No. Yeah,
The Bhutkaha.
Great.
past tense.
Past
It's a
tense.
past tense. Yeah. He Balaka Vidyalayam means the Balaka Vidyalayam Agachat means the boy was going to the school.
Not was going. You went to the school.
He went.
Past tense.
He
Not
went,
past continuous.
yeah. He went to the school.
He went to the school. It's a past tense. Balakaha Vidyalayam Agachat. Agachat is
Lang means lang rupa.
Lang Lakara. It is a Kriya Padam. Okay, Lang Lakara Kriya Padam, right?
Yes.
How do you decline that form, lang forms? Dhatu, Gam Dhatu.
Agachat. Agachatam. Agachantam.
Agachan.
Agachan.
Agachan
Agachan.
means now I'm Madhyam Purusha. Agachaha. Agachatam.